Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to install Gnucash accounting software on your computer. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to google.com. Once you're on the Google homepage, use the search bar to type in Gnucash and hit enter. This will bring up a list of search results related to the software. From these results, look for the first link that directs you to gnucash.org. This is the official website where you'll be able to safely download the authentic version of the software, ensuring you get all the latest features and security updates. Once you land on the Gnucash website, you'll immediately see the download section right on the dashboard. This makes it super convenient because you don't have to navigate through multiple pages to find what you need. From here, you'll need to select the operating system you're using. Gnucash supports multiple platforms, so you can choose from Linux, Windows, or Mac OS depending on your computer. For this tutorial, since we're using a Windows PC, go ahead and click on Microsoft Windows. After clicking on Microsoft Windows, a new browser tab will open. This page is specifically dedicated to the Windows version of Gnucash and will prepare your download. You'll need to wait a few moments while the download initialization process completes. This usually takes just a few seconds, so be patient. Once the initialization is finished, you'll see a green download button appear on your screen. Click on this button to start downloading the Gnucash installer file to your computer. When the download completes, locate the Gnucash installer file in your Downloads folder or wherever your browser saves downloaded files. Double-click on the installer to run it. This will launch the installation wizard, which will guide you through the setup process. Simply follow the on-screen instructions carefully to proceed with the installation. The wizard will ask you to agree to the terms and conditions, select an installation location, and choose any additional components you might want to include. Just work through each step, clicking Next when prompted, and the software will install itself on your computer. And that's it! You've successfully installed Gnucash accounting software on your computer, and you're now ready to start managing your finances with a powerful free accounting tool. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.